Virtual reality headsets are wearable technology allowing users to immerse themselves in a digital environment. These headsets typically consist of a screen or screens placed close to the user's eyes, and they often have built-in sensors that track the user's movements. VR headsets are becoming more accessible and affordable for everyday consumers. In this video, we break down the 5 best VR headsets in the market. Our dedicated team has spent countless hours conducting thorough research to carefully select and evaluate the best products, all to give you reliable recommendations you can trust. You can find the purchase link all over the products mentioned in this video down in the description below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Number 1, Meta Quest 2. The Meta Quest 2 has everything you need in a VR headset while remaining relatively affordable. You get a massive library of immersive VR games to dive deep into the action and streaming apps to make you feel like you're in your theater or virtual concert. It does all of this as a standalone device thanks to the powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon XR2 chip running the show, though you can connect it with a link cable to a PC for access to thousands of more VR experiences. Once you put the Quest 2 on, you'll experience crisp and smooth visuals thanks to its high-resolution displays of over 1080p per eye and a 90 to 120 Hz refresh rate. You can use the device almost anywhere since it's cable-free, and the built-in camera warns you when you're getting close to obstacles in your environment. It plays without worries as an easy-to-use Guardian boundary lets you set your designated play space and alerts you if you move outside. Number 2, HTC Vive Cosmos. The HTC Vive Cosmos has 1440 x 1700 resolution per eye and 2880 x 1700 combined, which is better than the Index and nearly eliminates the screen door effect. It also operates at a smooth 90 Hz, and attached headphones deliver spatial audio, which is great for immersion. It also has ongoing support for the HTC official wireless adapter, enabling truly wireless play. HTC also offers different versions of the Cosmos Elite, XR, and Play, with additional controllers, tracking, and camera setups. Still, you can swap the faceplate, controllers, and monitoring base station, and you'll effectively be using a different version, making this a very customizable, versatile headset. Snap back to reality with a flip-up display and removable on-ear headphones. Future-proof your Cosmos with next-generation faceplate mods, powerful wireless play, and upcoming extended reality experiences. Number 3, Valve Index Full VR Kit. The Valve Index Full VR Kit is one of the most advanced and feature-packed virtual reality headsets. With a resolution of 1440 to 1600 per eye, the headset provides incredibly sharp and clear visuals, significantly improving over many other VR headsets. Additionally, the headset offers a high refresh rate of 120 Hz, which helps to reduce motion sickness and makes the overall VR experience feel more natural and immersive. The controllers feature a variety of sensors, including touchpads, buttons, and pressure sensors, which allow for highly detailed and nuanced interactions in VR. These earphones provide high-quality audio that is spatially accurate, meaning that sound effects and other audio cues are positioned accurately in 3D space. Another key feature of the Valve Index Full VR Kit is its advanced tracking system. The kit includes 2 base stations that use lasers to track the headset and controllers in real time. Number 4, Meta Quest Pro. The Meta Quest Pro is a high-resolution display. With a resolution of 3664 to 1920 pixels, the headset offers incredibly sharp and detailed visuals that are sure to impress. The headset features a high refresh rate of 120 Hz, which helps to reduce motion sickness and make the overall VR experience feel more natural and immersive. This headset includes 4 built-in cameras allowing full 6DoF tracking, meaning users can move around in the virtual environment with complete freedom and precision. The headset supports hand tracking, meaning that users can interact with the virtual environment using only their hands without needing controllers. It includes a pair of redesigned touch controllers that are more ergonomic and comfortable to hold than their predecessors. The controllers feature a variety of buttons and triggers, as well as haptic feedback that provides users with a sense of touch and immersion in the virtual environment. Number 5, HP Reverb G2. The HP Reverb G2 is a super comfy VR headset with built-in headphones and the highest resolution on this list, with a total combined resolution of 4320 to 2160. This physical IPD slider will help you adjust the headset to match your eye width, which helps create a much cleaner, focused image. While it may run at just 90 Hz, that is primarily due to the intensive power needed to run at these resolutions. With inside-out tracking, you also won't need to set up external cameras or base stations, which means HP can charge much less than Valve for the Index, and setup is a breeze. It combines to make a VR headset that lets your eyes head and relax as you engage with your favorite experiences. It's also the first Windows mixed reality headset to include 4 sensors, which helps to ensure more accurate VR tracking, especially during fast-paced games. Thanks for watching this video. Please remember to leave a like and subscribe to our channel to see more videos like this in the future. And if you have any questions related to the products we listed here, leave a comment down below and I will get back to you as soon as I can.